Here is a summary of the news article. The world is facing a growing problem of waste generation, and just 55% of the 2.24 billion tons of municipal solid garbage is managed in facilities under supervision. This waste generates greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions, primarily methane and carbon dioxide, which pose a serious threat to the environment. The United Nations proclaimed March 30th as the International Day of Zero Waste to encourage environmentally friendly production and consumption practices and increase public understanding of how zero waste initiatives advance the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The day is being celebrated worldwide with the help of UN Habitat and the UN Environment Department and has been adopted by 105 nations. India contributes 12% of global municipal solid waste generation, and the generation of waste is anticipated to increase significantly over the next few decades due to the country's rising population. Zero waste initiatives are gaining popularity in India, with the Indian government taking measures to promote waste reduction, such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, and the plastic waste management rules. Bangalore is a city where local residents are working together to reduce waste through composting, recycling, and upcycling, and many businesses are offering sustainable goods and using biodegradable packaging and compostable utensils. Zero waste encourages responsible garbage management while also reducing waste, which in turn reduces pollution, lessens the effects of climate change, protects wildlife, boosts food security, and enhances human health.